parent company of Rockstar Games, Take-Two, is taking legal action to find whoever leaked the footage of GTA 6. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Up. The company filed 2 petitions for subpoenas to get Microsoft and Discord to hand over information Take-Two has identified as being associated with the leak. In the case of Microsoft, the company is looking for information related to a GitHub repository that hosted Take-Two's copyrighted material, like audiovisual content, artwork, images, and dialogue. For Discord, Take-Two's asking for information on several different accounts and servers, including Discord user CyberLeak, Cinematic, Rockstar, and Surfer24K, a Discord server run by GTA 5 content creator Dark Viper AU, and another server called Odyssey. Take-Two is asking for all the information related to the accounts, including things like their full names, phone numbers, any accounts they've linked to, and any content they've shared related to Grand Theft Auto, Rockstar, or CyberLeak. Footage of GTA 6 started leaking on August 18, and Take-Two quickly sprang into action, issuing takedown requests to keep information about the game hidden. Despite the company's efforts, leaks continue to spread, including new videos that the leaker had a working build of the game. This isn't the first time GTA 6 has leaked. In 2022, footage of the game was shared by an 18-year-old member of the hacking group Lapsus, bizarrely by an Amazon Fire Stick. After a mental health assessment determined the hacker was unable to stand trial and that he'd intended to return to cybercrime upon his release, the judge sentenced him to an indefinite hospital stay. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.